going on, guys? On today's how-to video, we're going to be going over the spin cast reel a little bit. So what we're going to kind of focus on is how to really cast this reel and use it to its best ability. So as you can see here, we got spinning reel. I'm using a right-handed reel. Obviously if you're left-handed it'll be a little bit different, but the concepts are still about the same. So obviously we got a reel right there, or handle. This is what we call the bell, and when you go to cast, you want to grab this line with your index finger, pull it back against the pole and hold it, and then you're going to flip this bell over. Make sure you flip this bell over, because if you don't and you try to cast, you're just going to, well, nothing's going to happen. It's just going to jerk back on it. So make sure that bell is flipped right there. Make sure you got that line pinched right there. And what you're going to do, you're going to come back and you're going to throw out. And about time your pole reaches about this angle right here, you're going to want to release your finger. So I'm going to kind of go through it a little bit. So I'm going to pull back and then release. So what that did was that came out. One thing I like to do is when that bait hits the water, I'll immediately flip this bell down, and that helps with its backlash, because sometimes when that bait hits the water, the line will backlash and you're going to end up with a bird's nest. So about time, and watch that bait, when it hits the water, just flip that bell back down to stop it. So, and then that's about all you do. At that point, you just reel the lure back in. Now there's different things on the reel itself. So as you can see right up here, this little knob is actually your line tension. So this adjusts how tight the line pulled out. So when fish grab it, as you can see right now, it's pretty tight. So if you want to loosen that, you just kind of turn that to the left a little bit, and that makes it a little more loose. So when you get a big fish on there, if they pull that line tight, you want to make sure it has a little bit of give to it. So when they take off, they can start pulling line out as they go. That way it don't snap immediately when they pull it tight. So, but I hope that was a helpful video. I hope you kind of learned a little bit about, using this spinning reel for fishing. And if you're liking what you're seeing, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure to drop a subscribe below. Until next time, guys, keep it real.